Well, let me just say this, that the tone and tenor and the general direction of the questions that were asked and the discussion that happened was very rewarding, it was very satisfying. And this is consistent with what we heard from the government officials that we met yesterday. We met the Deputy Foreign Minister yesterday, members of Parliament. Broadly speaking, the tone and tenor was the same. But of course, these were think tanks, so they asked a lot of questions. They asked about our attitude on various other things that are happening in the world and how that could possibly be linked with our main concern, which is relating to the terrorist attack in Kashmir. But I thought that it was very positive. I thought it was very supportive, and particularly on the issue of terrorism. From yesterday to today, there's been outright support, very strong, determined support. But they are very interested in knowing the way forward. What do you do from here? Somebody suggested greater collaboration on counter-terrorism. They have a center here on counter-terrorism. And they suggested that there could be closer collaboration so that future such a thing doesn't happen. They also talked about give us some actionable points about FATF, etc., and how we could collaborate on the international level. All those things were discussed. Yeah, I believe that this was... well, see, we discussed that yesterday. And today that was not specifically discussed, but they were concentrating more on exactly the backdrop of how this has happened, what was the responses within India, and so on and so forth. But OIC is an issue, but it's been hugely diluted. There are some problematic phrases that come regularly, almost as a matter of routine. But I think that we can say with some degree of confidence now that OIC will not stand in the way of anything that India wants to do. And we have other delegation groups that have gone to OIC countries, so I think we'll get a better report from them.